remember that about 40% of our population, which is now under 20 crores, is below poverty line. We and you can help by rendering service in the field of literacy and education, healthcare, skill training and employment generation, helping the needy and protect air and water from pollution. Here, just to emphasize this aspect of skill training, I give you a little example from Kerala. It's a coastal country, the state of our country. The saying goes, it is important to teach the person how to catch fish than to feed him the same fish. Of course, feeding a hungry person is important, no doubt about it. But that will be once. If you teach him how to catch fish, he will be able to feed himself for all time to come. That is the importance of skill training. That is the importance of making the person self-reliant, that he is able to earn his living for all time to come and support himself and his family. This is crucial. Our education these days on a very large scale, the emphasis is on literacy, literacy, literacy. Of course, compared to illiteracy, literacy is important. But it is far more important to teach the person so-called vocational training, skill training. So many educated persons are, you see, going around unemployed simply because they lack skills. This industry people, they don't employ them. He may be a graduate, but he doesn't know any skill. He is not employed. So that is important, my dear students, for you to learn, to know, to equip yourself with various skills. Before I close, I wish to propose a few resolutions for you and us all to follow. One, save water and its purity. All of us know what is crucial for our lives. Save electricity. Avoid littering, कूड़ा फैलाना इधर उधर, गंदगी फैलाना. This is part of your hygiene standards, sanitation and so on. So avoid littering. Obey traffic rules. Now that itself is a separate chapter altogether. So I wish to emphasize for our youth, the students, please, for God's sake, obey traffic rules. It might be, sort of show off not to obey traffic rules, but no, it harms you ultimately, it harms the society at large. And be kind, compassionate, and helpful to the needy. Now, we have, as previously also, a Ghosh. Please repeat with me as loud as you can. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your thought-provoking speech. Kindly stay back for a while, sir. May I now request our principal, Madam Mrs. Ravita Puri, to present a token of our gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest. Please, ma'am. A token of regard and gratitude being presented to our Chief Guest, Dr. Lajpat Rai, for being with us and making our day. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
The head boy of our school, to propose a vote of thanks.
May God give you for every storm a rainbow, for every tear a smile, for every care a promise and a blessing in each trial. A very good morning to all present. On behalf of the entire KVM fraternity, it is my proud privilege to propose a vote of thanks. First and foremost, I am grateful to our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. Lajpat Rai, Chairman, KVM Managing Committee, for having graced the occasion with his benign presence. I thank the KVM Managing Committee for boosting the morale of the students. No less grateful am I to our worthy principal, Madam Mrs. Navita Puri, who has been a perennial source of inspiration and is a pillar of strength as well. I thank all the section in charges and the teaching staff for their support and cooperation. How could I forget to thank the print and electronic media for their ample coverage? I would like to thank the dear students for being such a wonderful audience. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the support staff for the support in all the activities. Once again, thank you one and all. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Manal.
न भूलना उन्हें कभी जो मिट गई जवानियां, वो देश प्यार की ज्वलित मशाल की निशानियां। वो नीलकंठ के समान जहर आप पी गए, पर उनके अमृतदान से ही आज हम हैं जी रहे। उन्हें न भूलना, देश प्यार की कसम, झुकाओ शीश साथियों, उनको करें प्रणाम आज हम। आज की ग्रैंड फिनाले प्रस्तुति के माध्यम से हम अमर शहीदों को एक सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि भेंट करना चाहते हैं। तो जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए आज के ग्रैंड फिनाले का।
जो मानचित्र खींचा है हमने भारत का, अपने शोणित का, हम सब उसमें रंग भरे। जीवन और मरण में एक दूसरे के हम साथ रहेंगे, मिलकर ये संकल्प करें। कह रही हर वीर की मौत, चीख चीख कर ये हमसे, हम जिए देश हित के लिए और मरे देश के लिए। 1857 से लेकर आज तक वीर शहीद होते चले गए और हमारी आजाद जिंदगी उनकी कुर्बानियों की देन बनती चली गई। पर क्या कभी इसका एहसास भी हमारे जहन को छू कर निकलता है, या अपने ऐशो आराम में पलते हम सिर्फ स्वार्थ की अंधी दौड़ में शामिल होना जानते हैं? क्या हमने कभी ये समझने की कोशिश भी की है कि सीमाओं पर खड़ा हर बहादुर अपने परिवार से दूर, अपनी जिंदगी से दूर, सिर्फ इसलिए खड़ा है कि हम उसके देश का हर बच्चा, हर नागरिक अपने परिवार के साथ निश्चिंत होकर जी सके। सलाम है ऐसे शहीदों को, ऐसे वीरों को।
बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज चंद्र की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो।